Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Sapodilla meringue cromboloni, only ways. Start by setting ingredients, proofing dough, and heating oil or oven to the right temperature. Prep Sapodilla filling by cooking pulp with sugar and spice, then cool it. Whip egg whites with sugar to glossy, stiff peaks and fold into a stabilized meringue. Assemble cromboloni with filling, seal edges, and choose frying or baking for perfect texture. Make a soft, elastic dough by mixing flour, yeast, warm liquid, and a touch of fat. Knead until smooth and allow it to rest until doubled. While dough proofs, simmer Sapodilla pulp with brown sugar and a pinch of spice until it reaches a spreadable, jammy consistency. Strain seeds and cool the filling completely so that it won't melt the meringue when you assemble the cromboloni later. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated while you cook. It fits cup holders, seals well, and keeps cold drinks cold during long prep. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. I'll drop a link and other deals in the description so you can check it out. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Whip egg whites at medium speed, adding sugar slowly until glossy, stiff peaks form. Consider a small splash of acid to stabilize the meringue. Roll dough into rounds, place chilled Sapodilla filling in the center, then add a dollop or thin layer of meringue as a protective cushion. Fold and seal edges, then either shallow fry until golden or bake at high heat for a crisp exterior and tender, meringue-topped interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.